Hello friends, today we learn about the Golden Notebook. The Golden Notebook is a famous work by Doris Lessing, and this work also become in your syllabus in masters in nomenclature of the course English Literature 1950 onwards. This is the subject name, and you also know about the Golden Notebook. The Golden Notebook is a famous work of Doris Lessing, and it is also be divided into some parts like red notebook, black notebook, yellow notebook. And first of all, it is important for you to know about the writer, about the novelist of this famous work, The Golden Notebook, that is Doris Lessing. Doris May Lessing, CHOMG, was a British Zimbabwean novelist. She was born to British parents in Iran, where she lived until 1925. Her family then moved to southern Rhodesia, where she remained until moving in 1949 to London, England. She was born in 22 October 1919 in Kermanshah, Iran, and died in 17th November 2013 in London, United Kingdom. She was awarded with 2 prizes: Nobel Prize in Literature, Princess of Asturias Award for Literature. Doris Lessing wrote a work that is the Golden Notebook, and in which she also describes about the life of a girl. And this notebook is also divided into 5 sections, separated by stages of the 4 notebooks: black, red, yellow, and blue. Now come to know about introduction to the Golden Notebook. This is the work of Doris Lessing. The Golden Notebook is a short, conventional novel and famous work of Zimbabwean women novelist Doris Lessing. The structure of the novel is explained by Doris Lessing in this way: there is a skeleton or frame called Free Women. It is a conventional short novel divided into 5 sections and separated by stages of the 4 notebooks: black, red, yellow, blue, and the famous character of this novel, that is Anna Wolf. She is the protagonist of this novel. Red Notebook describes about the political life. In this work, you also come to know that all 4 and 5 books, also called the combination of the Golden Book. This is the work. This is the name of the title of the work, and this work also be written by Doris Lessing. So the main central theme and the main central protagonist of this work, that is Anna Wolf. All book like red, yellow, black, blue, all notebook based on the life around of the Anna Wolf. Like as an example, the red notebook describes political life of Anna Wolf. Yellow notebook describes relationship of Anna Wolf with Michael. This is another character. The blue notebook describes, it is based on matter of fact, constitutes the factual record of Anna relationship with men. All the 4 notebooks, black, red, yellow, blue, have ended under great pleasure. The Golden Notebook ended under great pressure, which a combination of black, red, yellow, blue notebook. Now come to know that the Golden Notebook is a combination of red, black, blue, and yellow notebook. How it is possible? How the writer describes all this term. So the Golden Notebook, a short conventional novel, is a combination of 4 notebooks, that is black, red, yellow, and blue. The central character of the novel is the Anna Wolf, and all these 4 books, which is the combination of the book, that is the blue, that is the Golden Notebook, also be based on the life of Anna Wolf. And it is also described that the Golden Notebook describes a free woman, how Anna Wolf lives and stays in her life, and how she becomes a free and independent woman after and in her life of journey is description in novel with 4 notebooks. The black notebook describes Anna Wolf's life. Red notebook based on her political life. Yellow notebook describes relation of Michael and Anna. Blue notebook based on the relation of Anna with other men. Note at this point, the black notebook describes Anna Wolf's life. Red notebook is based on her political life. जो ब्लैक नोटबुक है वो एना वल्फ की लाइफ पर बेस्ड है, जो रेड नोटबुक है वो उसके पॉलिटिकल लाइफ पर बेस्ड है, एंड द येलो नोटबुक आल्सो डिस्क्राइब्स हर कनेक्शन विद माइकल. Blue notebook also describes about the relationship of the Anna Wolf with another man. So this is the 4 books, and this 4 books describes about her life in different ways. The Black Notebook describes the incidents of a period of 7 years of life of Anna Wolf. Now we come to know about books one by one. सबसे पहले हम पढ़ेंगे ब्लैक बुक के बारे में, ब्लैक नोटबुक के बारे में, जो 7 ईयर्स के इंसिडेंट्स को, 7 ईयर्स के पीरियड्स के इंसिडेंट्स को जो एना वुल्फ की लाइफ पर बेस्ड है उसको डिस्कस करते हैं. सो लिसन केयरफुली. द ब्लैक नोटबुक इज वन ऑफ द पार्ट ऑफ गोल्डन नोटबुक, a short and conventional novel. In this novel, Anna Wolf, the central character, free woman in this novel, describes incidents of periods of 7 years of her life. In Black Notebook, she describes the situation of African state. She describes some incidents of violence and death in some part of Africa in Black Notebook. Anna has dualities in her nature, and the dualities include the problem of the traditional versus the modern. Anna describes that people read novels simply for information about unknown areas of life. The novel has become a reflection of as well as function of the fragmented society. So this is the Black Notebook. The Black Notebook is also a description and an image of frontiers of war. It also describes, the Black Notebook describes about the life of Anna Wolf. The Black Notebook is also describes about the situation of the war and create the images of the war in front of the readers, and also describes revolt of Africans towards white people. The Black Notebook is based on the Africans life of Anna Wolf. She describes in her Black Notebook about the revolt and protest of Africans towards white people. Thus the Golden Notebook presents a very limited analysis of the colonial system and the black-white conflict. Though Anna herself belongs to the category of colonizer, yet she has full sympathy for the native Africans. They think that white people a source of evil. Group of Africans would be waiting for the moment when Mr. Boothly, the big boss, would give him an opportunity for interview. Africans keep the distance away from white people and they think that white people are all evil. Emotionally and ideologically, Anna Wolf would support those who openly fight against the white rule. Now come to Red Notebook. The Red Notebook describes and contains reference to Anna's political life. तो Black Notebook के बारे में आपने पढ़ा. Now come to know about Red Notebook. Listen carefully. I noted some points that which book is associated and which book is connected with which work. And you can also know that which book is connected with Anna's which life. Anna's के कौन से life से कौन सी book connected है. The Red Notebook, which comes after Black Notebook, contains reference to Anna's political life. In Black Notebook, we can see the fight of Anna for Africans against white people, and also finds Anna's relation with men. She first come to Rhodesia in 1938 and married a tobacco farmer, and her sexually incompatibleness with Wilm wrote a communist refuse from Europe. The Red Notebook described Anna's political life, and she joined Communist Party in 1915. This book shows a gradual disenchantment with Marxism. It records the political climate of the Cold War era after World War. Marxism was the dominant political philosophy of this time. You can note this term, Marxism. Now come to know about Anna Wolf describes to leave Communist Party after knowing faults in the party. ये point भी आपका Red Notebook के अंदर ही आएगा, because Red Notebook also describes about Anna Wolf's political life. Anna finds fault in the party. Initially she took the party basically dishonest and compatible. She enabled her to see the inner working of the party. She felt elaborate ironies in the party. She found the Communist Party sated with a group of dead bureaucrats. She found herself completely cut off from party workers. There is not much in the Red Notebook because she felt disillusioned with communist ideology, as there was a lot of unbridgeable gap between communist theory and practice. She also mentions about the fear and hate on the faces of the people of the party. She found the condition of women most miserable. They were feeling lonely, isolated, mad-like in spite of husband and children. Molly and Anna decide to leave the party after billing of change. So this point also become in the Red Notebook, because Red Notebook also be connect with Anna Wolf's political life. और पॉइंट था कि Anna Wolf, why Anna Wolf leave the party, because she finds some faults and she thinks that there is no possibility to change, and so she wants to decide, and she decides to leave this party because she wants some change, and she thinks that there is no possibility of changing anything in this party because in the fold, so she decides to leave the party. The Yellow Notebook describes the analysis of Paul-Ella relationship with love and separation. अब Paul and Ella ये another character है, उनकी relationship और separation को बताया हुआ Yellow Notebook में. The notebook, however, contain an analysis of Paul-Ella relationship. Anna loves Michael, son of Ella. Anna Michael को प्यार करती थी. She loves Michael, who is the son of Ella, जिसमें हम Paul और Ella की relationship की बात कर रहे हैं. Anna describes Ella as free women after many disasters and political strains. Ella worked in a canteen for factory women and also working in women's magazine. Not interested in politics, Ella married George, but not successful marriage. That was. After divorce, she decides to marry again, and now she also be in affair with Paul. After leaving her first husband because of marriage proved disasters for her, Ella has her self-respect and her child for her, and she has a child Michael, जिससे Anna प्यार करती थी. Leading normal life for a woman without the support of masculine love and care was a great, tremendous job. So this is the quote of feminism. Ella lives in house of Julia with her son Michael. Paul Tanner is working as consultant psychiatrist in a government hospital, dislikes his wife Muriel, and after his returns from war, he hates her. अब पोल का क्या हो रहा है? एला ने तो अपने हस्बैंड को उसकी जो मैरिड लाइफ थी वो डिजास्टर्स रही, अनहैप्पी रही. देन शी डिसाइड्स टू लीव हर हस्बैंड एंड शी हैज़ वन सन दैट इज़ माइकल whom Anna Wolf loves too, and the another is Paul, जिसके साथ एला रिलेशनशिप में थी. Paul Tanner also has a wife, but he thinks that his wife is mad and she doesn't love her, so she decides to leave her also. So Paul also come in relationship with Ella, and after meeting Ella, the relationship between Paul and Ella are fraught with tension from the beginning. All continue in a right way, but after some time when they're spending time together, then they find that their relationship is also not continuing in a good and better way, and tension also creates between them. After this, Ella feels attracted to Paul and thinks she will marry him soon. Now come to know about the separation point. When Paul comes at night to meet Ella to find answering in letters, Ella finds and gets pleasure in his company. For 5 years, she remained with Paul, simply floating on his love for her. After some years, Ella feels that she depends on Paul and took the image of invisible women as a safety protection for herself. Now, the question against come of the feminism. पोल एला की रिलेशनशिप अच्छे से चल रही थी. एला ऑल्सो भी फील वेरी मच अट्रैक्ट टूवर्ड्स पोल. पोल ऑल्सो फील वेरी मच हैप्पी विद एला, बट आफ्टर सम टाइम एला रियलाइजेस दैट शी डिपेंड्स ऑन हिम. She saw her, she sees her as a second part and a second, and she thinks that she has no identity at all. So the tension creates between them, and this tension also becomes the reason of separation. Paul's lack of commitment to the women is also reflected in his attitude to sex. Women liberation movement. So this is the movement in the Golden Notebook. Let's continue. Women's liberation movement is the celebration of the emotional over the mechanical attitude towards the sex, like that of technological reproduction of human babies. In the novel, Anna describes sexual relationship as a basic need and greed of man for women. Paul lives many years with Ella, and when Ella goes in Paul's house in his absence, she finds many women's magazines in his house, and also finds that he sleeps with many other women too. So this is the bad character is also be describes about of Paul, and Ella when finds that Paul also sleeps with another woman, and she also finds magazines of some bad magazines, bad image of magazines in Paul's house, then she also be feels very much desperate and irritated with him, and also finds that he sleeps with many other women too. Ella also presents as having many sexual relationships with men. She also spending couples of night in Paris hotel room with Sylvie Maitland, a brain surgeon young man. Ella also creates her bad character too. Now come on the next book, that is the Blue Notebook. Black हम कर चुके, Yellow Notebook is also done, and the another is Red Notebook is also done. Now the fourth notebook, that is the Blue Notebook. The Blue Notebook reveals an objective record of a day in Anna's life, presents Anna in many roles as a housewife, as a mistress, as a mother and party worker. Now the last notebook, that is Blue Notebook, also it describes about Anna's life, Anna's character as a mistress, how she describes about her life as a mistress, as a wife, as a housewife, as a party worker, as a mother. Anna presents as a mistress because she wants to make personal sexual relationship with Michael and she wanted emotional fulfillment through her involvement with him. Michael looks only for sexual satisfaction and gratification. Blue Notebook presents Anna in many roles as a housewife, as a mistress, as a mother and as a party worker. Michael leaving her and tension also creates between them. When she looks face of her child, she feels relaxed. In the party office, she has to encounter two senior bureaucrats of the British Communist Party. Anna feels that majority of worker is the party are either broken or turned into day as dust her splitting office men. She has come to believe that party survivors either by absorbing its critics or destroying them. Blue Notebook, however, provides an insightful analysis of Anna's relationship with her multiple lovers. The Blue Notebook also describes Anna's relationship and separation with other men. Now come to know about some men connected with Anna and about their separation. Also be discussed about in Blue Notebook. First is Nelson, American Jewish. Next is De Silva. Third is Sol Green. All these three characters also have some relationship with Anna, and their separation also be describes in this work, that is the Golden Notebook, and the Blue Notebook also be describes all this. First is Nelson, American Jewish. Playwright meets Anna outside Molly's house and feels attracted Anna towards Nelson. Anna makes him love her and soon feels disappointed after knowing that Nelson was virtually impotent and suffered from mental terror of sex. किसी ना किसी रीज़न की वजह से, किसी ना किसी कमी की वजह से उनका सेपरेशन भी हो जाता है एना वल्फ का अपने दूसरे मैन के साथ, और उनकी रिलेशनशिप रहती है एला की रिलेशनशिप काफ़ी मैन के साथ रहती है, पोल की रिलेशनशिप काफ़ी विमेन के साथ रहती हैं. डी सिल्वा, नेक्स्ट मैन. Molly's friend meeting with Anna, who abandoned his wife and two kids, come back to London and begin to pursue women and sex. He says, Anna, I wanted to be able to love a woman once in my life without having to give something back in return. But when he asked her to accept his proposal to allow him to make a prostitute in her house and sleep with the women just above her room, she was shocked and hurt so much. Sol Green is an American leftist, shows exceptional courage and stands up for individual thinking. He talks freely about the problem of free women who live and bear children at one. Anna feels falling in love with Sol Green. Their sexual involvement revealed them from tension and anxiety, apprehension. He has a long list of women whom he loved. Anna was shocked to hear. Anna decides to come out from all this and realizes that man can be selfish and wants to dominate women. So this is the point of feminism. Feminism points also become and creates in this work in the Golden Notebook कि एना ने क्या डिसाइड किया था कि वो इन सब चीज़ों से बाहर आ जाएगी एंड रियलाइज वो क्या रियलाइज़ करेगी कि जो मैन है, जो मेल पैट्रियार्कल सोसाइटी है, जो मैन है वो सेल्फिश है और वो केवल विमेन का डोमिनेट करना जानते हैं. सो वी कम टू कंक्लूड दिस वर्क गोल्डन नोटबुक. Anna learns to balance her independence from tradition with her emotional dependence. Thus, the single Golden Notebook ends with release, union and renewed creativity. At last, Sol to now is a different man released from madness. Sol Green है ये, जो उसका थर्ड पार्टनर था. जो अफेयर था एना और सोल के बीच में वो एंड हो जाता है, नॉट इन कन्फ्रंटेशन एंड ब्रेक डाउन बट ऑन इन नोट ऑफ सॉलिटेरी. The Inner Golden Notebook, a collaboration document, does not end with a release from writer's blog. Anna writes, free women. With renewed confidence and energy, she takes upon herself the burden of recreating order. Thus, she succeeds in composing a book empowered with an intellectual passion. All the four notebooks, red, black, blue, yellow, all based on Anna Wulf's life, you also know. And Anna also learned through the dream that making endless pattern of life is an evasion of reality. She is compelled to re-examine her life by her critical intelligence, the scenes of past life. Sole lover of Anna has left America because nobody speaks the kind of language. All these four notebooks, black, red, yellow and blue, have ended under great pressure. All notebooks revolves the life around of Anna. Black notebook also based on Anna's African life. Red notebook based on her political point of view and why she leaves the Communist Party, what is the defects in the Communist Party. And next notebook, that is yellow, also describes about the relationship of Paul and Ella. And last notebook, that is blue notebook, also describes about Anna's relationship with another man and her separation too. She reviews her past which she has recorded in her 4 notebooks. So this is the Golden Notebook and by Doris Lessing. And thank you so much for watching my channel. Please share and subscribe.